If you are wondering how to transfer music from PC to your iPhone, this tutorial review will show you how you can do it. So right now I'll show you the easiest method to share music from your PC to your iPhone. You have to install the Anytrans software on your computer and you have to install the iTunes app. Now launch the Anytrans app and you have to connect your iPhone with your computer using USB cable or iPhone charging cable. Then make sure to unlock your iPhone, and once you connect it, you will get your iPhone display here. And now click on iTunes library. And now to add music to your library from your computer, click on add, and all you have to need just browse the music you want to send to your iPhone, and it may take some time to upload the music to your iTunes library. And here you can see the music has been successfully added. And once you added your song to iTunes library, now select the song which one you want to transfer to your iPhone, and then click on to device, and that's it. The music will transfer to your iPhone and it may take some time. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.